Good morning, 8th grade band. This is Mr. Green here. I'm going to be filming a quick video as a tutorial for the key signature identification assignment that you have on musictheory.net. So if you look at today's folder for 8th grade band on Schoology, Thursday, April 16th, you'll first notice there's a link that I originally posted on Tuesday, which is a video that I filmed then kind of going through some key signature identification tips and tricks, so some things that I use for figuring out major keys. So make sure to view that because that's super helpful. And then after that, it gives you a link to the key signature ID exercises on musictheory.net. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you what exactly you need to do. So once you're there, you'll have a screen that looks something like this. You'll want to go first to the little gear in the top right corner and then select the clef that you need. So if you play flute or trumpet or horn, you'll click treble, and then if you play trombone, euphonium, tuba, you'll click bass clef. And then if you play percussion, go ahead and click the grand staff, since you're used to reading both treble and bass clef for various instruments. We'll go back to treble just for right now. And then you'll click back. Key signatures, this next one, you'll want to have the first, so you want to have the natural one right here, and then up to 4 flats on the left side, and up to 3 flats on the sharp side. Then everything else should be automatic, so I don't think you need to change anything else. Then what you'll want to do is go through these, and then it's going to be out of 20. So I want you to get at least 80% out of 20, so a minimum of 16 points out of 20. And then, but if you don't get it first try, that's totally okay. What you can do is also in the top right corner, these 3 dots, you click that, and there's the option to reset the score, and then you hit that red button right there, and then it puts it back to 0, and then you can try again and go for it from there. So yeah, but again, just watch those key signature tricks and tips. The one that I give for flats is you want to find the flat that's furthest to the right and then go the second one in. So right here would be your E flat, so we're in E flat major. And then there's one that you have to memorize, actually this one right here, which is just 1 flat. This is the only exception to the rule that I have for flats. And that one's just F major. And then the rule for sharps, again, is you want to find the sharp that's furthest to the right. We only have 1 in this key, but then you find that the right hand sharp and go up a half step. So since this is F sharp, you go half a step up to G, and that's your score. So, or your key. So, anyways, if there are any questions about this, feel free to send me a message on Schoology or an email, and I'll be happy to help you. Once you are done and you get a minimum of 16 out of 20, then you will, in the assignment submission, make sure you take a photo or a screenshot of your score so that I can see this, and that's what you'll post in the submission as well. So yeah, also make sure to hit the attendance for today so they know that you checked in for the day, and have a nice rest of your Thursday, everyone.